everybody, I'm Ebony. This is Ebony's Creativity. Thank you so much for watching my channel. Today what I'll be doing is my living room tour. Now this living room is not 100% complete. However, I decided to go ahead and do this video because I have a few things that I need to add, but it's pretty much complete. And I want to do a Christmas decorating video in this living room. So I wanted to be able to show you what it looks like before I start decorating. That way you can kind of have a frame of reference of the before and after looks, and you can see the impact of my Christmas decorations. So it's not 100%, but it's pretty close, and it's at a point where I feel comfortable showing it. You'll notice a couple themes. I love black and white. I love big, bold tribal prints. I love beautiful patterns. And I typically decorate every space with just one pop of color. If it's not my white and gold or white and black, each space has one pop of color. So in here, the pop of color is teal. It used to be red, but I have just changed it by getting new furniture. If I forget to mention something, you can leave me a comment and ask me where it's from. A lot of things in here are DIY, so you can check out my DIY tour parts 1 and 2. Those videos are on my channel. You can check out my hauls. A lot of things, if you want to know like the price and specific details, you can check out my previous hauls because a lot of things in here have been hauled before. So just check out my previous videos. That would really help me out. Leave me some comments. I'm still new to YouTube, but I'm trying to get my channel up and running. I have been gone for a week because of my birthday. I did just celebrate a birthday earlier this week. So I took a little break from my regular job and from YouTube and from everything. And I'm just trying to clear my head and make sure that the content that I'm bringing you is good content. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Please subscribe. Let a friend know about me. Show off my hard work. I've been working hard on this living room, and I think it looks pretty nice. So yeah, without further ado, I'm going to take you around. Like I said, if I forget anything, just leave me a comment, and you can ask me anything that I don't mention in this video. Okay? So thank you again for watching. And if you are interested in seeing me tour my living room, stay tuned. All right, so I'm going to start out by giving you kind of a few images of the whole room in its entirety. Try to kind of pan so you can see everything. So my style is like a mix of glam with mid-century modern. And so that's the main two styles that you'll see in this living room. So here is what everything looks like all together. I am going to go ahead and start telling you the individual things. Now, starting with that ceiling fan, the piece that's over the light, the rounded piece there, that is actually a bowl. And I strung it up there with picture hanging wire, and it stayed. So that's a good tip to, if you have an ugly ceiling fan like I do, and you want to kind of make it a little bit glam, without messing with my settings, I can't really turn the light down, but you can see it's just one of those bowls. I think I paid $8 for it at Burlington, and so that's a good way to jazz up a ceiling fan. And they sell ceiling fans that look exactly like that at Lowe's for too much money. So I just bought an $8 bowl. That ceiling fan was already in my house when I bought it, and I think that made a nice impact. Okay. These are from Pier 1. They were my very first video, which was a Pier 1 haul. The flowers inside, these white ones, and this kind of baby's breath looking one is from Michael's. This one here is from Cracker Barrel. I like to shop there for decor. I love their clearance section. So while you're waiting to eat, check out Cracker Barrel's home decor stuff. I did a video on this piece here where you saw me upcycle it, so you can check that out. I think it looks really beautiful in here, so I'm happy that I have that. On top, I did a video DIYing these candle holders. That is from Tuesday Morning. The big piece here is from Home Goods, and the two small ones are from West Elm. And you can layer candle holders, and that's what I've done here. This one It's from TJ Maxx. It was $3. And I just set it inside of here. That one came from the thrift store, the one inside of there. So you can layer them. I just set that inside of there, and I think it looks really cute. So that's where those are from. The curtains are originally from IKEA. They do not sell those anymore. They came in black and blue. The blue color was really beautiful, but of course it doesn't match anything in my house. But I've had those for a while. I did get them after they stopped selling them, but I got those from OfferUp. So if there's something that you really want, you can check OfferUp, check your local Facebook and what is the other one? Let Go and apps like that for rare finds. I just typed in the name of the curtain, and there was a lady locally. She had 4 of them, which was perfect for me. I was able to use one to upholster 2 chairs, and then I have 3 in here. So that worked out perfectly for me. These 2 chairs were DIY. They were very ugly and beat up, and so I painted them gold. I reupholstered the fabric white, and those are also curtains. If you've ever been to a fabric store to try to buy fabric, you know it's kind of expensive. So I like to buy curtains. They work just fine, and that's what I always use to reupholster everything. That is a vase that I just put a plant over top, and now it's kind of like a little side table. I put a piece of cardboard over it and a little wandering Jew plant, which I think is so pretty. And so this is my little conversation area in here. This shelf is a DIY. I did this built in by myself. So that was really a proud moment for me when I got that all done. And there's just a bunch of knickknacks on here. I think it'd be kind of boring for me to go through each piece individually. 9 out of 10 things came from Home Goods, and the extras came from Home Goods and Tuesday Morning. That's where most of these items are from. That big piece there is Home Goods, Tuesday Morning. This I got at a thrift store or yard sale. And I think most of the other stuff is from Home Goods. So that's how those look. Here I just have my TV. I know that cord will probably annoy a lot of people, but behind my fireplace, all the way up the wall, it is brick, so it's difficult to put an outlet there. So that one cord doesn't really bother me. I could get the little tubing that hides cords or paint it the color of the wall, but I ain't going into all that. Just one cord. It doesn't look that bad to me, so I just left it. Those candlesticks were thrifted. That was from Home Goods. I just threw a plant in it. It's really a candle holder, but hey, you can use your stuff for whatever you want to use it for. I thought it'd make a much better vase or plant holder than candle holder, so I just stuck a plant in it, and it's flourishing. It's pretty long. It has grown all the way down and hit the floor, but I wrapped it around the vase so that it wouldn't be dragging the floor. But yeah, that Scorpio pendant is thrifted, and those are from Pier 1. They were in my first video as well. This teal vase is from Home Goods, and those two were from a flea market. So I have my little fire starter and my couple pieces of logs up in here. I need to get some more logs because it's getting cold out. And I just have some magazines. Little tidbit about me, I love Amy Winehouse, so I made sure to get that magazine from when she died, and then the rest are just HGTV magazines because I love that magazine. This fireplace down here on the bottom part, I DIY'd. I painted the trim gold, and then I painted the towel white. I have a post about that on my Instagram, so make sure you're following me, Ebonies_creativity or Ebonies Creativity on Facebook. And over here, this chair went with my previous furniture set. I I called myself making that chair cover. It looks okay. It's not professional, but it's good enough for my purposes. And the ottoman was also from the same flea market as those vases and a lot of other things in here. On the wall, I have some framed photos the frames are from Michael's. They're really nice frames. And the clock is from Kirkland's. And my couch, this is my new couch I got from a local store called Decorum. I love the color. It's so beautiful to me. I love jewel tones. So any ruby, aquamarine, anything that amethyst, any tones like that, that's what I'm drawn to. So I love bold colors. So that's the couch I decided on. The pillows are from Ross and Home Goods, and the fluffy ones, one is from Hobby Lobby and the other two are from Big Lots. So my rug, this is a 8x10 rug, and it is from Overstock. I think the pattern is beautiful. I love the bold tribal patterns, like I said, so that's right up my alley. I would like some more teal. The color of this couch, I want to get some pillows for these chairs that are those colors to try to tie everything in together. And also, I'll be getting a piece of artwork here. Looking to hire a college student to do it for me because, you know, they need a little bit of money in their pockets. And we have an HBCU in my area, so I figure I will find one of them. I have an ad out, so if you know anybody going to Norfolk State and I'm willing to pay them, I want a beautiful piece of artwork to go right here. So that's something that I will be adding. Also some more teal accents, probably just something to go up there. And I have this little candle on the table already, so I'm satisfied with that. Plus this teal book. It has teal binding, so that's good. But I want a few more teal pillows and teal accents. Just one or two, not anything overboard, but the black and white's cool, but I want to put more teal in here because I think that will tie everything together. Yeah, this table, you can find this table in my DIY tour part 1 video. It was previously 3 tables, and I just DIY'd it to make it one nice, beautiful table that fits my space well. So I'm in love with this table. The coasters were from Dollar Tree. The books are all thrifted. Every book in my house pretty much was thrifted. The candle, of course, is Bath and Body Works. If you have not smelled peppered suede, you need to go smell peppered suede. If you like scents that are like men's cologne, you would love peppered suede. If you like mahogany, teak wood, black tie, check out peppered suede because that is now my new favorite. Just a little cross that I got from my grandparents' house. And this little bowl, I think it's from, I don't know. I think it was from Tuesday morning. Don't really remember. This is just a topiary ball. So that's another kind of tip. You can use topiary balls on top of vases or candle holders and they look like actual plants when they're not. This is from Dollar Tree. It's just a candle snuffer. And here on my table, I keep a bunch of stuff that I need, like lotion when I'm down here, a lint roller, because that couch, those fluffy pillows, they have lint everywhere sometimes. So I keep my lint roller, my remotes, my lighter for my candles, that kind of stuff is all in this little bucket. I have some books, like I said, all thrifted. I don't believe in spending a lot of money on those coffee table books that you can buy from the store. I just thrift all my books, and that works just fine for me. So, yeah, I don't know if I said it, but that throw came from Burlington, and that macrame plant holder, it's supposed to have a plant in it, but I don't want anything falling on my new couch, so I may just take it down, but that was gifted to me from a former coworker. So, yeah, I hope I covered everything. I feel like I've been talking forever. Again, I just have some family portraits up on the wall. I love family portraits. Probably can gather that from my video that I did on those DIY picture ledges. I have 2 of those full of family photos. So yeah, I do love family photos. But yeah, this is my living room. So just kind of give you another pan. Again, if you know anybody going to Norfolk State University, I need my art. I'm looking for them. So leave me a comment, send me a DM. Again, my Instagram is Ebonies_creativity. I would love to hire one of them to make me some artwork. So yeah, I think I have covered everything. Like I said, check out my previous hauls and my previous DIY tour videos. A lot of things are in there. I know most people love to have like a couch and a love seat, but I don't need that much seating. Really, it's just me and the few guests that I get. We can all crunch together. It's mostly family. So if I have a large amount of people, there's some space here. I have some benches that I can put here. I have that ottoman. I have another ottoman. So there's a few spaces where people can sit if need be. But I don't need a lot of furniture for just one person. So I decided not to go with the couch and love seat combo or have any of that big bulky furniture. I just kind of wanted a modern look. Yeah, modern and glam. Those are my 2 styles. So when you look at mid-century modern rooms, they don't have a bunch of big bulky furniture, and I didn't want to do that either. So yeah, here is my living room. I really hope you enjoyed this tour. If I left out anything that you're curious about, leave me a comment. Let me know how you think it looks or anything that you would change. I'm not sensitive, but I do ask for respect because I have been working hard on my space. So yeah, leave me a comment. Let me know how you feel about it. Thank you so much for watching. Please go and watch more videos on my channel. And until next time, thanks again. Bye.